Hello, and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at the Kasoa project where we started with the roofing of this project, from one of our clients who is also a subscriber. And Efo did the roofing, so I mean that's why I'm trying to play back to recall, how it started. And this is, the finishing of the roofing. Once again, another, brilliant, and amazing collaboration between the roofing company and Efo. You can see the job, done here. If you want to see more of this project, how we started and how far we'll be going, it's called the Kasoa project, and you can check on Efo's playlist, Efo Carpenter, and you see, the amazing job Efo is doing, trying to help, some of our subscribers from the diaspora who are, willing to build their dream house in Ghana. I mean, this owner already started building this project, through, family, but things didn't go right. We came in, and this is how far we are going, and we are going to continue with this project. The owner is dealing with, the production group himself. He got in touch with Bruno to fix, the gate. Also, I think the burglar proof. I think Bruno is also behind it. We are waiting to do the glasses, the windows, which you'll be seeing, I think, in the next episode of this project. So as you can see, plastering is already completed. We've been doing so much. The team have been so busy, so I couldn't get a process the video of, the plastering. But I mean, here we are. This is just the update. So much has been done with this project. I mean, if you saw the previous episode, it was only block work, and the roofing. We've done the plastering, meaning we've done plumbing and we've done electricals also, which, I wasn't able to, we didn't get the videos to show you, the process. These guys, when they are busy, they totally forget about, making videos. But as you can see, we've done all those works. But I think I have a video which, this same electrician did, and the plumbing they did, electrical works, which I'll be showing you in that project, the process that we go through to do all those things. So you can check out the progress of this project. Is gradual process. And I think when we took over this project, it was also a German concrete, so they didn't do the concrete wasn't the oversight concrete wasn't done. So that also we did that. If you check in the first episode of this project, you see that the inside was bushy, and we have to weed because I mean the project was left behind for some time. As I said, it was started by, I think, a family member, and then yeah, we have to come in. And I would like to use this opportunity to address this. Please, if you are dealing with my team, we like to, deal with the owner itself. Even though you have a representative who you might, give the money to do the payment after checking what has been done, controlling the work and everything, supervising. I agree that you have a representative, but please play a part in the whole process. Don't hide that, you are hiding your telephone number, because when, we get to know that it's a foreign number, we will charge more. I mean, we deal with a lot of foreigners, right? With this channel. So my team is used to, working with people from abroad. We don't do that. We don't do that. So please be part of the decision making. Your specification might be different from, your representative, and we like to hear your specification because it is your house, not the representative house. Sometimes they do consider, the money which is going in, and sometimes they like to choose materials that is moderate. Meanwhile, you want quality, or right, and they would think maybe the money is too much, so let's do this way so that you don't spend too much money. But it is your house, so we like to hear your voice and how you want the house to be built. So this is just by the way. So from here we move to the next project, which has to do with P.O.P designs and also more of interior designing.
Nti wei no hall ni nie. This is the hall. So the hall they have division. this division over here. So this is the dining hall. This is the dining hall. And when we realize a corner, you can see a corner or ceiling no. Or make project baby na corner wall inside. It's a one as a neon rope light no. A better. So that's the cable for the neon rope light. Then you have your ceiling light. We almost year into no. We are fixing the normal light keke for now. After the funeral. What's that? Tea. After the funeral, then we will do the spotlight and other light. So this is the hall. Hall is sunye. Then at the edges we have spotlight. We have spotlight. Then another spotlight over there. Another spotlight. Another spotlight. Another spotlight. Another spotlight. 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 We fan. Then ceiling light. Ceiling light. Fan. Ceiling light. Nti sɛ na hɔ ne so te. Yeah. We are saying no, Obeba back because of the phone running. So when you has Obeba back, he'll be putting a design here. Our light bear, the neon light will be inside the design. As a TV no, ako infinity. Yeah. Until November after the funeral. So there's the whole. But bedroom there, a normal plywood, 2 lights, 1 fan. This one of the bedroom. Nti sɛ na ne nyinaa te. A normal plywood, so 2 lights, 1 fan. Fan ɛhyɛ middle no. Nti sɛ na bedroom is bedroom the wine is simple. Then the bathhouse. And we say normal ceiling.
As I always share here on the channel, building is a journey. Building is a step-by-step process, right? Where you have to go through all the seasons in Ghana, right? Or wherever you are building, the rainy season, you have to go through it so that you test the structure of leakages and anything, right? So for those of you that, you are done with your plastering and you are thinking of, finishing, Prince Elikam, is the guy for you that you get in touch with. He is like more like a HR who kind of have guys that does, all this amazing stuff that you'll be seeing from now on. When it comes to wardrobe, his guys did this, kitchen cabinets, like, yeah, backdrop, for your television, anything that has to do, with finishing. Prince is the guy. Also, the same thing with painting. Also, they are very good with painting and the P.O.P design, with neon lights, with LED lights. So when it comes to finishing, Prince is the guy, that you should call and he will arrange, the right people for you. His teams does all of this. They have experience, right? So if you've seen anything on the internet, you have picture, you can show it to him, and he will get it done for you. So please get in touch with Prince. That is his number there, and he will forward you to the right, team or the right people, to get your job done. And to see more of the works that his guys have done, with the painting also, I will leave a link in the comment section. So if you want to see where they did the painting, the kind of houses they've been painting, and also when it comes to graffiato, anything with finishing. When you are done with your plastering, and you have your roof, the rest, just leave it to Prince and his team, and they will get your house done. And I think this is the best way to actually go, right? So if you have a team, you can already design from start to finish, what kind of colors you want to use, and you are using the same people, right? From painting, and all the woodworks and everything. So you have the whole team set. They will get it done for you. If you go to my playlist, it's called the home deco and design. In the playlist, you see how they work. I have videos of them from start to finish of of this kind of stuff, right? I have videos of them where they begin and then they are done. So you can also go to my playlist and look for the home deco designs, and you see the kind of works that these guys are doing. And these are young guys, these are young guys hustling, trying to, do something for themselves, and they enjoy what they do. I mean, if you see my videos, you see how they work, they are happy, and it's all about teamwork. So please get in touch. Also, these are some of the kitchen that they do, the finish of this, some of the kitchens. Yeah, amazing design, man, amazing. And these are, local boys, these are not like white people doing this, these are local guys, doing all this top finishes, right? So please get in touch with Prince and he will lead you, with all these guys. And the price is also affordable. I mean, you can talk to them. These are your brothers, so you can talk to them with pricing. You can negotiate with them. It's possible. When they give you their code, that doesn't mean that that is the final, right? So you can ask for explanation and they will tell you why this. Then if you want to do any changes, if maybe they are putting in too much stuff that you really don't need, I mean, you can take, some of those things out to adjust your price. It's not that when they mention the price, you immediately, I mean, you have to do comparison, right? You have to check with other people and see the quality that they are giving you, right? So if you are interested, just get in touch with Prince and he will get it done. And please get in touch with them yourself and later introduce your representatives to them that this guy is going to be doing the checking and the payment, but they should report to you, right? So that you check, the measurement, if they have the right measurement, if they are doing what you actually want. The finishing is more important to us. That's why I'm saying this, because your specifications might be different from your representative's specifications. We are all two different people. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Like, do we?